Welcome to this video on tiCrypt's virtual machines. So the tiCrypt Vault is used for secure file storage and sharing, and the tiCrypt virtual machines are used for secure processing. I'm going to make a Linux virtual machine and show how we can use it with RDP and the terminal. Let me start by making a drive. So I'm in the drives view here. It's very straightforward. I give the drive a name, the size. The teams are used to limit or to keep track of resources. So when a drive is created, you need to select a team which the size will be accounted for. And there's my drive. These drives are shared with me. Yeah, I just created this drive. I didn't share it. It's not yet attached to virtual machines. Let me create a new virtual machine. So the name, again the team, so the CPUs and the memory gets allocated to the right team. I'm going to use this Linux operating system. The bug here means it's a debugging version. Normally the virtual machines are all locked up. Only the owner of the virtual machine can talk to it or connect with it, but all the other ports are closed. This is the drive I just created. It's asking my password because now I'm actually sharing the decryption key of the disk. Right, so I had created that disk. That disk is an encrypted volume, so the disk has a decryption key. Here I'm formatting the disk, but the decryption key is on my keychain, and that keychain is encrypted on the back end. So the server knows my keychain, but everything on the keychain is encrypted. So I have to decrypt that disk key and encrypt it with the virtual machine's public key, and then that key can go on the virtual machine, so the virtual machine has access to what is on the disk. It's all done. I'm going to start with remote desktop. I'm going to change some of the settings there. Right, these settings keep it from going full screen. It would make it hard to read. Oh, it's good to go. This may seem like a security risk, having the password out in the open, but actually it isn't, because there's a secure channel between me and the virtual machine. That's we've authenticated each other, and communication is encrypted, and it will only listen to me on my port, right? So even if you hijack my port, my IP address, and you would still not be able to do the Diffie-Hellman dual authentication, right? So it's more secure than it seems right now. There it is. Okay, so this is my virtual machine, my Linux environment. There's no software installed here, so in that sense, there's not much I can do. Let me just create a little file here, empty file. With a secret message. And show you the file transfer. So on my left is another secret file. This was already there. Let me delete that. There's a PDF here. So my vault is on the left and the virtual machine disk is on the right. And I made that file in documents. Yeah, so this is the one I just made. Right, the secret message. So drag and drop to the left of the new file I made and drag and drop of the PDF to the virtual machine. Right, so this virtual machine now has that PDF here, beautiful PDF with a beautiful standard. Yeah, so that's the vault. So if data is sensitive, it may not be allowed to go from the vault into disks or from disks to the vault, and projects are used to limit that. I haven't shown you that, but that's what the projects can be used for. So that was file transfer. File Explorer is just seeing what is on the disk. So it's kind of the same without the vault on the left. Terminals, let me go from here. Okay. So I've created 4 terminals here. Yeah, like this. So I got, okay, there's no real cap on how many terminals you would want. Here I got 4 terminals going to the same virtual machine. You can have many virtual machines here, and some people really prefer to work like this. Right, so that shows the disk there. Okay, so I showed basically a straightforward workflow to create a disk, attach it to a virtual machine, and use a virtual machine. I've shown you a Linux operating system, but we also support Windows. That's it.